Page 21, Angels We Have Heard on High. It's got 4/4 time, 1 flat, so it's either an F major or D minor. Well, let's look at the end, at the bottom. The last measure down there is here. It's an F chord, so I'm guessing this is an F major. Start with the right hand. Third finger on A, and don't forget the B flats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Lift up between each of these phrases so there's a little bit of silence. Go down to the third line. Here you got to come up one. Here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. And all of this is connected. You want the third finger on that A in the last measure there. There. And then the left hand takes over, and then the right hand finishes that up. Left hand, got the chords helping out. F chord, 1 chord, 5/7 chord, 1 chord. That's fun. Oh boy, it's C7 if you wanted that. C7. Third line down here. Now you're going up to here, and then here. Don't forget the B flat, and then down. Work out these chords carefully to make sure you got all the right chords because it's moving around. And the last line, the Ria, that's melody. You got to play that out a little louder because everything else in the left hand is soft. And then you're back to your chords. So then put the hands together. What do we have? We want to hear the melody. Play the right hand out loud and lay back on the left hand. Go down to the third line. You're here. Now you can't connect the chords. Piano won't let you. But you can connect the right hand, so connect that. Keep the left hand soft. Till here. This has to be the same loudness as that. Good luck with that. I tend to overdo it and I play it too loud, you know, and so forth. And that's the idea. Now this refrain, the last 2 lines, this is the chorus of the refrains because you notice there's more verses at the bottom, and those words in the verses go to the first 2 lines because that's the verse. Huh? Well, the refrain is repeated because at the last line you have a first ending and a second ending. You see the 1 and the 2 and the end, the repeat sign and the reverse repeat sign at the beginning of the third line. So we're going to repeat the refrain. So when you finish the first ending there, here, you simply repeat back up to the refrain and do that again. Then on the second time around, when you get to the last line, you're doing here, here, and then you skip the first ending and just do the second ending, which is similar to the first ending except they've added that last measure. That's really the only difference. That's the roadmap of how to get through it. You can sing it if you want. I don't do that glow. But you have fun with it. That's great. I'm going to give us 4 counts, so let's do it slowly together, just to make sure we have the right notes and rhythms. So go ahead and put your hands where they go to start. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 4. 1 and 2. 4, and second ending.